Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna change a fuel pump on a Hyundai Sonata. Let's get to it. 2014. So if your Hyundai Sonata look like this, where the 2014, 13, or 11, it's gonna be the same procedure. It's gonna be in the tank, in the trunk. You just want to pull back the trunk. I need to go get my gloves because in here is a little bit messy, so I gotta get my gloves. Alright guys, so pull this back. You're gonna have the pump right there. You're gonna need 4 Phillips screw. Pull the seat. The seat will make it easier to like yeah. Well, this one is a messy one. So right there is your pump. You need to get the Phillips screw to get a Phillips screwdriver to take out all those right there. So just remove these 4. So guys, once you remove the 4 screw, you can hold it and then pull up on it and it should come up like that. And now we're gonna have some plugs to unplug. You just gotta squeeze this right here, just like that, and pull back on it, and it should come up like that. And then the other one you want to squeeze right here. So this is the plug you want to squeeze right here, guys, and pull back on it right there. And then you want to squeeze this bolt in, pull back on it. You can see on both sides, you just squeeze the tab and pull back on it. So the reason why I'm changing it, it's not pumping any fuel up to the front. The customer was driving and then the car just shut off because it's not pumping anything. The fuse is good and everything is good, so the only thing it can be is the pump. So that's why we're here. So guys, this one is a little bit different. You just want to get a pick in there, squeeze this, twist this a little bit out so you can clear that little lip right there, and then you do the same thing for this side. So you can clear both lip, and then you can pull back on this, and there you go. So now you need to get something to kind of knock it up one of these spots right here to get it to move. So that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, this is what it looked like. It's coming loose. It's not fully loose, but just stop to give you guys an update. I use this with a hammer, just kind of set it at a spot. So what I do, I try to set it at an angle. I would knock right here, and that will turn it right around. Once it comes to like this cutout right here, you can lift it up. So that's how that part work. So I'm gonna continue. So set it like this and knock this with a hammer. Alright guys, so now we're back in it, and then we just take this up so you can see how it works. These just locked into it, and once you get it to this cutout right here, you can take it off. Once you take it off, you can set it to the side. You can just kind of shake the pump back and forth to just kind of clear that right there. And now we can out with the pump. Just kind of like fight it a little bit, like play with it, find the sweet spot. And there's something else underneath here that we gotta take off too, which you gotta squeeze it, but once I take it out, I'm gonna show you. So guys, you wanna set the pump away where you can see, bring it up where you can see this clip right here. It's kind of hard to, there you go. Guess I got it released. It's kind of hard to get it released, but once you get it released, it will just come loose. Then you just gotta wiggle it. Fall over. Then you gotta wiggle the pump out of it. That's the next challenge right here. So just wiggle the pump out of it. You just gotta spin it around, play with it, and find the sweet spot to take it out. So guys, finally I get the pump out right here. But guys, I'm telling you, this is a mother to get out. So you just gotta play with it, wiggle it. I use a pry tool, the pick right there, to like pry against the side to get it up. Finally get it up now, so that's good. Now I can take it out, but I'm letting it drain a little bit. So once it's drained down a little bit, we should be good. So guys, we have the old pump right here. We have the new pump right here. The good thing with the new pump is not as big as the old one, so it shouldn't be as hard to go in. So that's good. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so you just want to hook the float in first, followed by the pump, and then that's it. You need to hook the bottom piece underneath here. So line up all the holes, make sure the holes line up properly, and then remember that brown piece underneath, we're gonna hook it up, and then we'll hook up these two lines, and then we'll connect up everything, and we should go from there. Also guys, just clean around here. Let's get a rag or something like I did, and I just clean where I will be putting the new rubber gasket right there to seal the tank. So finally guys, got it in. Just need to plug this back in. Plug this in. And I need to plug these plugs back in. This one go right here. I got a cart, yep. And this one go right here. Now we need to start the car, and then when you turn on the car, you should hear the pump hum too. We wasn't getting none of that. So that's it guys, have the car running, everything good now. So like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.